Lasagna, with its enticing aroma and satisfying layers, holds a special place in the world of food. Originating in Italy, this beloved dish has transcended borders to captivate taste buds across the globe. More than just pasta, lasagna is a testament to the harmonious marriage of flavors and textures. We'll explore the secrets to creating the perfect lasagna, from selecting ingredients to achieving that coveted golden brown crust. Let's get started. The foundation of a truly exceptional lasagna lies in the quality of its ingredients. Begin with fresh, ripe tomatoes for a vibrant and flavorful sauce. Seek out high-quality pasta sheets, preferably the fresh kind, which cook to a wonderfully tender texture. When it comes to cheese, a combination of ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan is classic, each contributing its unique character to the final dish. Opt for whole milk ricotta for richness, fresh mozzarella for its delightful melt, and aged parmesan for a sharp, savory note. The heart and soul of any lasagna is its sauce. A slow simmered sauce, infused with aromatic vegetables and herbs, will elevate your lasagna to new heights. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened and fragrant. Add minced garlic, cooking for a minute until its aroma fills your kitchen. Next, stir in crushed tomatoes, along with a splash of red wine for depth of flavor. Season generously with salt, black pepper, dried oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. For meat lovers, browning ground beef, Italian sausage, or a combination of both, before adding the tomatoes, will create a richer, more savory sauce. Simply cook the meat until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. Drain any excess fat before proceeding with the recipe. For a vegetarian twist, finely chopped mushrooms, zucchini, or eggplant can be added to the sauce, providing a satisfyingly meaty texture. The layering process is where lasagna transforms into a symphony of textures and flavors. Begin by spreading a thin layer of sauce in the bottom of a baking dish. Top with a layer of lasagna noodles, ensuring they overlap slightly. Spread a generous layer of ricotta cheese over the noodles, followed by a sprinkle of mozzarella and parmesan. Repeat these layers, starting with the sauce, until you reach the top of the baking dish. Be sure to press down gently on each layer to create a compact and evenly cooked lasagna. To prevent the top layer of noodles from drying out during baking, it's essential to ensure they are fully coated with sauce and cheese. For an extra touch of richness, consider adding a final layer of bechamel sauce, a classic French white sauce made with butter, flour, and milk. This will create a luxuriously creamy topping that complements the other flavors beautifully. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Cover the lasagna dish tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 45 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. To prevent overbrowning, you can tent the lasagna loosely with foil during the final baking stage. Allow the lasagna to rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing and serving. This will give the layers time to settle and the flavors to meld. Serve your lasagna hot, garnished with fresh basil leaves for a pop of color and flavor. A simple side salad with a light vinaigrette dressing provides a refreshing contrast to the richness of the lasagna. Enjoy! There's a certain satisfaction that comes with creating a dish from scratch, especially one as comforting and flavorful as lasagna. While it requires a bit of effort, the end result is well worth it. From the aroma that fills your kitchen to the first bite of cheesy, saucy goodness, homemade lasagna is a true labor of love. So gather your ingredients, put on some music, and embrace the joy of cooking. You'll be rewarded with a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends.